So in this section, we're looking at making decisions in Python. That's a large part of the programming process, is to figure out what decisions to make and what to do once those decisions have been made. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to evaluate expressions using comparison operators like equals equals, which is to check to see if something is equal. Not the same as an equal sign, which is used to assign values to a variable. We also have greater than equal to, less than, and less than equal to. We make comparisons using an if statement and then do something depending on the results. We can nest if-else statements and to increase complex decision making. So we can compare different values by using these operators. We have multiple comparison operators to check if it's equal, greater than, less than, and each operator serves a different purpose for comparison. So the equals is checking to see if two things are equal. So here we check to see if the x is equal to y. They are not, so the output should be false. So here we're going to check to see, we've got a score of 90, a passing score of 70. Is passing equals, so we're assigning, that's a variable, and it's going to give us the results of score greater than passing score. And that is going to give us the output of true. Is passing will be assigned to true. We can use conditional statements to make decisions and then do something. So we have, here we're assigning the number, we're assigning 10 to the variable number. And then we're doing the comparison. If number is greater than 0, we're going to print the number is positive. This is the structure of an if-else statement, where you do one thing if it's true and something else if it's false. So we're starting out by setting the number to 7. Then we're going to check to see if the number modulus 2 equals 0. This is where we are determining with the modulus that gives us the remainder if the number is even or odd. And if it's true, we'll print out the number is even. If it's false, that's the other else option. It can only be true or false. It's never going to be both. You're going to print the number is odd. You can also have multiple if-else statements. So we've got number equals -5. If number is greater than 0, we're going to say the number is positive. If number is less than 0, you're going to print the number is negative. And then we have the else for if the number is 0. So that gives you if, elif, else. Because here we have multiple options, just not a true or false.